Hi, my name is Matt Powers. I'm 27 years old and I live in New York City. My favorite part about programming so far is recursion. I love solving problems recursively. I think it's so beautiful and elegant. Here's a function to determine if a string is a palindrome. I really enjoy solving problems with computer science. I found this website, Project Euler, that has a bunch of programming challenges. I've been having a lot of fun figuring out the solutions. Questions like find the 10,001st prime, calculate the sum of all the primes below 2 million. It's been really good and fun, and looking forward to complete more of these programming challenges. I work in KPMG's Economic and Valuation Services practice, where I specialize in intellectual property valuation projects. I'm also a CFA charter holder, which means I've passed 3 challenging exams on accounting, finance, derivatives, ethics, and those sort of subjects. And let's see what else. Oh yeah, I went to Santa Clara University where I was an economics major and math minor. I'm in the process of teaching myself how to program by reading books like Python Programming by John Zell. I'm in the process of reading The Little Schemer by Friedman and Feldstein, and not reading PHP Solutions. I did not like this one. And I'm also doing Udacity courses and Code Academy courses. Here are some clips of me doing things that I'm passionate about other than programming.